Imagine making money while you sleep, just by sharing your passion on YouTube. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not just a dream. YouTube has become a lucrative platform for many, transforming hobbies into income streams. Now, it's not an easy road, and it requires a lot of work. But don't fret, there are strategies to accelerate your journey towards monetizing your channel. So, are you ready to turn your passion into your paycheck? Stay tuned to discover 25 tips to monetize your YouTube channel faster. Scene script. Tip number 1, consistency is key. YouTube loves channels that regularly upload content. This doesn't mean you need to post daily, but setting a regular schedule helps you build a loyal audience. They'll know when to expect new content, and that's a big yes in YouTube's book. Moving on to tip number 2, understand your audience. Dive into your analytics, find out what your viewers like, and make more of it. It's as simple as that. Tip number 3 urges you to focus on quality over quantity. One amazing video can get you far more subscribers than a dozen mediocre ones. So invest time and energy into creating the best content you can. Tip number 4, leverage SEO. Use keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to help your content get discovered. And finally, tip number 5, promote your channel on other social media platforms. Cross-promotion is a powerful tool that can help you reach a wider audience. Remember, it's not just about making videos, it's about creating an experience for your viewers. Moving on to tip number 6, collaborate with other YouTubers. It's a great way to reach a larger audience. Just like a potluck, collaboration brings together different flavors, making your channel more interesting. Tip 7, diversify your content. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Mix up your content, try new things, keep it fresh. The more variety, the more reasons for viewers to stick around. Tip 8, engage with your audience. Reply to comments, host live chats, ask for feedback. Remember, YouTube is a community, and communities thrive on interaction. Tip 9, track your analytics. YouTube provides a wealth of data. Use it, see what's working, what's not, and tweak your approach accordingly. And finally, tip 10, be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your YouTube channel. It takes time to build a loyal audience, so keep producing quality content and stay the course. Patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to YouTube. Tip number 11, make use of YouTube's features. Ever heard of end screens and cards? These are interactive elements that you can overlay on your videos to keep your viewers engaged. They can be used to promote your other videos, encourage subscriptions, or even link to your website. Moving on to tip 12, create eye-catching thumbnails. Your thumbnail is the first thing viewers see, so make it count. Think bold, bright, and intriguing. Tip 13, provide clear calls to action. Whether it's asking viewers to like, share, or subscribe, make sure it's clear and compelling. Tip 14, keep up with trends, but don't be afraid to put your own spin on them. Trends can help boost your visibility, but your unique take will keep viewers coming back. Finally, tip 15, experiment with different types of content. Variety can keep your channel fresh and interesting. Remember, YouTube is all about creativity and innovation. Finally, tip number 21, don't skip the basics. Make sure your channel looks professional. A polished channel attracts more viewers. Invest in a good logo, banner, and consistent branding. Tip 22, make playlists. Group related videos together to keep viewers engaged and watching more of your content. Tip number 23, use keywords in your video descriptions. This will make your content more discoverable and increase your views. Moving to tip number 24, offer merchandise. If your audience loves you, they'll want to support you. Consider selling t-shirts, mugs, or other branded items. And the final tip, tip number 25, consider paid promotions. Sometimes a little investment can go a long way in growing your audience. These were our last tips, but remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to YouTube. You're now equipped with 25 tips to monetize your YouTube channel faster. Each of these tips, from leveraging SEO to engaging with your audience, plays a crucial role in your journey to YouTube monetization. Remember, consistency is key, and patience is your greatest ally. Start by implementing these tips one by one, and you'll soon see a significant change in your channel's performance. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for your unique content. It's your passion and dedication that will set you apart in this platform. Let's make every second count. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to make YouTube work for you. Here's to your YouTube success.